How are you guys? My name is Prof. Teams. I print money. I'm the best trader in Europe, in Africa, in Asia. Today I want to teach you the best strategy on how to trade boom and crash, all synthetic indices, including DEX indices and including Weltrader synthetic indices as well. So this strategy also works on currencies like gold, USD, JPY, GBP, USD, and many more like that. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive direct to the indicator, to the indicators. These are the liquidity lines. I use EMAs to determine the areas of liquidity and to highlight your entries and your exit points. So this one is so powerful. Okay guys, stay blessed. Don't forget to follow me wherever you're watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and invite others. Let's jump to my phone. Okay, this is the strategy that you are seeing on your screen that trades current space and synthetic indices space and almost everything that moves. Nothing needed much, only these liquidity lines. When I'm saying liquidity lines, you can see these ones: the purple, the blue, the green, the gold. These are the liquidity lines, and you can see that the candlesticks will be below them and will be touching them and go down. Okay, and these two EMAs, the white and the light blue, are the trendy one. So first of all, we need to see the trend. For instance, if the candlesticks are below these two lines, we are in a down trend. Okay, if these two lines crosses while the candlesticks are below them, it signifies that we are in a downtrend, right? Okay, if they cross, well, least let me find another scenario. You can see here we are still in the downtrend. It's a pullback. This one, the candlesticks are below the white one, so even if the price is going up, it's a pullback. Here there's no cross. You can see there's no cross. They crossed here, signifying that the trend might change, but it's not the actual cross. So when you see these lines, the liquidity lines, and the blue, light blue, and the white crossing together, it's a golden cross, signifying that all the noise is ended. We are now rallying down, right? So without wasting much of your time, right, this is DEX 600 up. Okay, that was in a severe downtrend, and it is still in the downtrend, right? So for you to have these ones on your phone, let me quickly show you what you can do. You click here. The first moving average that you need is period 14, shift 0 exponential, apply to close, then levels, no levels you should put there, then color put green, right? You save. The next one you need to add is the period 15, 50, shift 0 exponential, apply to close, no levels, light blue, right? Then the next one you need to add, that is moving average number 3, 12 EMA, period 12, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Okay, levels, no levels, put blue. You save like this. The next you want to put is period 10, shift 0, method exponential, close, then put color purple on the color, on the style, then 10 frames, all 10 frames, save. The last EMA we need to put, you add this gold EMA, 21, 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, levels none, time frame all, put color gold, save. Okay, Then there is another EMA that you should put. This is a 21 one. Then you have to add this. Just check if you added this. The other one, 200. Add 200. Shift 0 exponential. Put style to white. Once you have done this, you are done. Okay. So it should appear like what you are seeing on the screen here. This is the white EMA, the 200. This is the 50 exponential. The 200 is exponential, and these are the liquidity lines I was talking about. So let's zoom inside this trend. You can see that as long as the candlesticks are below them, they will come and touch the liquidity, grab the liquidity, move away with it, grab the liquidity, move away with it, grab the liquidity, move away with it. Okay, let us back test in the past also. Let's move. You can see that as long as the candlesticks are below the white EMA and the 50 EMA, if the 50 crosses all the liquidity lines and the candlesticks are crossing them, moving down, it's an entry. You enter. Okay. Here you don't enter because this one is signifying that the 50 crosses the liquid line, the candlesticks are up, but we don't enter here because this one, the candlesticks are still below this line, right? Look, the 50 crosses the liquidity lines and the candlesticks are down. It's an entry. Even if they pull back here, it's an entry. Why? Because the white EMA is still down. Okay, so this is what I teach. Even if you go to any time frame, let's move down the time frames. You can see. Just look. I want you to observe this one. You see the 50 and the 200 EMA crossed here, and the liquidity lines also crossed them. It's a golden cross, signifying that the downtrend is so strong. They will continue move down and down and down and down up to now. So if you want to do sharper entries of such a move, what you need to do normally is for you to just refine your entries, just refine them. Do a top to down analysis, then you'll be in a position to make a lot of money. Remember, I said you should, the 50 and the liquidity lines crossed, you enter. Then the moment that these ones crossed here, it signifies that we are in a downtrend. Hold that trade. So next video, this one works on all time frames and all pairs, even on let me start with people's favorite, gold. You can see that even on gold it really worked. Look, I don't want to make this video too long, so I just quick. The liquidity lines crossed the 50 EMA, and it's an entry here, and it's an indication. Look here, when the price was making noise, there's no such a cross that you are seeing here, but when you see this cross, it signifies that the noise is over. We are now moving down. So this is an accurate trading strategy. My strategy, it's called Prof Teams 99.99 strategy. That is the best, and you can see that they are coming here just to retest and went down. So I will teach you more, I think, on the liquidity lines in our next video. So for today, on our next video, I just want to teach you about these lines, each and every one, so that you know how they operate, and so that you know how to use them. Okay, thank you very much. Stay blessed. And you can see that as long as there's this crossing here, we will be in an uptrend, severe uptrend. until we see that crossing again uptrend. You can see this is gold, and we have that crossing again where, let me show you, we have that crossing again here, signifying that the whole uptrend from there, from this point, let me show you, from this point to this point has now ended. It was quite a huge uptrend. Look, we're moving, still moving, still moving. What a huge uptrend. Okay, so this works the most, especially when you do your top to down analysis. Even on boom and crash, let me go on boom. Let me go on boom 500. Okay, you can see it's a miracle. This miracle that happened here, this strategy works miracles, guys. Here the fifth EMA crossed the liquidity lines, but to the person with this strategy could have entered here, but they crossed here. This is a retest. You enter, you hold, they are retesting even the lines, they are grabbing liquidity. So in our next video, I'll teach you on this one. As long as the white EMA is still below and the candlesticks are above and other liquidity lines above, we are in an uptrend. Then in our next video, I'll teach you on these lines. So look, I just want you to look. We have a crossing here, 50 and the 200 and a downtrend, and we have our first entry 50 and the liquidity lines here. We had a drop. I even sent this signal in our VIP group. I even sent this signal to our VIP group, so it was amazing. Okay guys, stay blessed. Okay, this was the signal. You can see and you can witness. This was the signal. I sent it yesterday, and I say signal alert sell this one, and you can see signal, and you can see overnight how they dropped. You can see the lines on my screen there. You can see the lines. Okay, and we printed a lot of cash. Okay, so for more information, just check your description, that description box, then just check below for more information, and contact me if you want forex trading lessons, and if you want account management lessons, and if you want forex trading indicators that works. You are tired of things that are not working, so it's a good time to try prof themes, right? Let's print money. I, the best trader in Africa, in Asia, in Europe, I'm saying goodbye. Have a blessed day. Subscribe. This is the only way you can motivate me to keep on posting such content. Okay, thank you very much.